In this video, you'll learn how to search flights without a specific destination using Google Flights. This is perfect if you know when or where you're leaving from, but you're flexible about where you want to go and just want to see the best options and prices. Let's start from the very beginning by opening Google Flights. On your computer or mobile browser, go to the Google Flights website. You don't need any special app for this. It works right in your browser. Once the page loads, you'll see a familiar Google-style layout with a search area for flights, and often a map or some suggested trips. First, we'll set your departure city. Look for the box that usually says something like where from or departure. Click or tap inside that box. Start typing the name of the city or airport you'll be flying out of. As you type, Google Flights will show you a list of matching airports and cities. Choose the one that fits your plans and make sure it's selected so it appears as your departure location. Normally, this is where you would enter your destination, but in this method, you're going to leave the destination field empty on purpose. So in the box that says something like where to, don't type anything. If there's already a city or airport filled in from a previous search, just clear it out so the field is blank. This tells Google Flights that you're open to multiple destinations instead of just one. With your departure city set and the destination left empty, look for the option labeled Explore. Depending on your screen size, this might appear as a button near the top of the page or as a tab labeled Explore that you can click on. Go ahead and select that. When you click Explore, Google Flights switches into an exploration mode designed exactly for flexible travelers. You should now see a map view or a list of places along with prices for flights from your chosen departure city. This is where the fun really starts. You can browse the suggested destinations that Google Flights shows you. These might be popular cities, nearby countries, or interesting locations with especially low fares. Take your time scrolling around. If you're on a map, you can drag it to move around the world and zoom in or out to see more or fewer options. As you look through the suggested destinations, you'll see price tags or fare amounts next to each place. Clicking on a city or location will usually open more details such as date options, airlines, and specific flight times. Even though our core steps focus on exploring destinations, you can refine what you see by adjusting dates or filters at the top of the page if needed, like choosing a specific time frame or number of stops. That's all there is to it. By opening Google Flights, entering your departure city, leaving the destination blank, clicking Explore, and then browsing the suggested destinations, you can quickly discover new places to visit and compare prices without committing to a single location from the start. This approach is a simple, flexible way to find flight ideas and potential travel deals when you're open to going almost anywhere.